Buenos dias, Joel. I wanted to add this quick video about the topic that we see on the top, reflexive verbs, because after checking your homework, I've noticed some people that still have some difficulties understanding it. So, in quick video, what's a reflexive verb in Spanish? How we conjugate it. So, we use reflexive verbs to talk about our daily routines and especially about grooming. For example, to bathe, to put makeup on, to get dressed, to take a shower, to put your shoes on, to comb your hair, etc. That's what we call grooming. How can you identify these verbs in Spanish? You see, we have reflexive ends in SA or SE, SA or SE, SA or SE. I decided to add these colors to help you understand how these verbs work. If you look before the SE in amarillo or yellow, you see that we have the regular ending of the verb, AR, AR, IR. If you know how to conjugate a verb, then you will see how easy it is. So, when you see the ending SE, it tells you right away that you had to use reflexive pronouns, the one that you see in yellow. This is similar to, if you remember when you use the verb gustar. Me gusta, te gusta, le gusta, nos gusta, and so on. So the only difference is this one right here from the rest. Okay? So right away you see the SE, you know that you have to use reflexive me, te, se, nos, se. When you remove this part, what do you have left? You have the ending, as you see in green. AR, AR, IR. And then you proceed to do or to complete a regular conjugation as you know it. So yo me, and then bañar becomes baño. Tú te bañas. Él se baña. Nosotros nos bañamos. Ellos se bañan. That's how you deal with these guys that we call reflexive verbs. They are used for talking about routine activities and pretty much about grooming. Okay, Joe, I hope that this quick video has provided you with some extra clarifications on this topic. Have a wonderful day. Adios.